ChatGPT scheduled tasks can handle one-time reminders, recurring work, and change monitoring. To create one, open the scheduled page from the ChatGPT sidebar, then choose a new task and describe what should happen and when. You can also create a task directly in chat by asking something like, "Remind me tomorrow at 9 a.m. to submit my report." For recurring work, be explicit about the schedule. For example, send me a short AI news brief every weekday morning. For monitoring, describe the condition instead of asking for constant updates, such as check for a price change and notify me only when it drops below my target. After ChatGPT creates the task, open it to review the schedule, then enable push or email notifications so you actually receive the result. You can pause, edit, resume, or delete tasks from the scheduled page. Task availability and active task limits vary by plan, and tasks cannot run more than once per hour. The best way to use the feature is to make the trigger, timing, and expected output specific enough that the task can run without needing another question from you.